Today I'm going to teach you a lesson out of the Sound Partners book. This is a tutoring program for early reading, so it would be perfect for kindergarten, first grade, maybe even second, and then your low babies in third grade. It comes with scripted lessons, so it makes it for easy planning, and it's quick and simple, and it's something that would be great for guided reading or core extension if your school still has it. I know Williamsport Elementary School did it last year while I was out on maternity leave, and the teachers seemed to really, really like it. So that's why I did this also for my comprehensive reading program presentation. But I'm going to show you, this is like the setup of how the scripted lesson looks like. So if you notice, there's like 3 different parts, and on the side it tells you how to teach it and how to go about your whole lesson. So it kind of gives you exactly what you need to say. Today, in this particular lesson, this is lesson 2 of the first part of the program, and throughout they have like the lessons are grouped, and then they have a mystery test throughout it, so they have specific things that they're focusing on. This particular lesson is focusing on the letter S. The last lesson focused on the letters A and M, so that's why you can see that they kind of go back and do some review as well as focusing on the new letter. So the first thing that you would do for this lesson is you would go ahead and point to each letter and say the sound. I would probably write the letters up on a whiteboard or something so that they wouldn't see the book, and then we would go and say the sound. So this kind of goes along with foundations, and so it's just some reinforcement for them. So as you're pointing the letters, you're going to say the sound, and then you could do the next part where you could say the sound, and then your students could practice writing the letters. So that also goes along with foundations. And you have to make sure that you're emphasizing all 3 of the sounds. Even though you've already covered letters A and M, it's still that reinforcement that they need. And then the next section, you have the A, S, and M, and those are, of course, the sounds that they're focusing on. You would write those down, and you would ask for them if you would just say, what's the first sound in, and you'd say a word. So if I'm saying the word soup, what's the first sound in the letter or the word soup? Then they would say the first sound is that S sound. And it gives you like lists of words that you could use. You could use these words. You could make the words harder based on the level of your students. You could make them easier. So this could be differentiated as it needed to be. So it just kind of gives you the list. And then the next part would be segmenting. You have, again, another list of words, 5 words, and you can break them into 3 different parts. And then you can give them like a word mat that they could easily break it into the different sounds. I would probably have this just already for them that they can on a whiteboard or something so that it could be quick and easy. All in all, I think this lesson, Sound Partners, if I was doing it, I would probably do it as a warm-up in my guided reading. So I would hope that it would take 5 to 7 minutes, because I don't have much time with them in guided reading. But I think it could be really quick, it could be really simple, and I think it would be great reinforcement for the kids that are struggling with those sounds. And it also goes along kind of with foundations. All right, thank you for listening. Bye.